In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and choosing alarm at the top left corner. Then before creating a new one, hit those three dots at the top right one. Hit settings. Manage all of those, and when you're ready, select additional alarm settings and operate all of them as well. When you're ready, go back. Now to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour at the top. And if you want to use this alarm only once, click on this switcher after the late after goes off to get rid of it right away. If you don't, you can also hit repeat and pick one of those options: once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you want to select custom, pick days of the week and save them by hitting OK. Now click on ringtone. Apply one of those melodies by clicking on the chosen one or select all ringtones at the bottom. Now select pre-installed ringtones on the right. And to add any song from your device and set it up, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then hit allow. Select one of those sources. Scroll all the way down, and if you never used the chosen source before, hit agree and continue at the bottom. Then select allow again. Now just click on the song that you wish to set up and add it to the list by choosing this check mark at the bottom. To apply it, click on apply next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you see this pop-up, hit allow. You need to do it only once. If you wish to use one of those ringtones, just click on apply next to the best one and hit OK. Either way, when you finished, go back. Now click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback. And last but not least, select label. Name your alarm however you wish to and hit OK. Then to save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, hit it, choose additional settings and change wherever you want to. To save those changes, use the same check mark as before. To turn off your alarm, use blue switcher next to it and pick one of those options. Sorry, misclick. One of those. To switch it back on, use the same now gray switcher. Finally, if you wish to delete one of your alarms, hold the chosen one and select remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!